Watch where you're pointing it. Keep it away from eyes. You don't point it in any direction of a face. What's you aiming for? So why are you crying? Whoa, whoa. It's no need to cry. Here, look. You put something like that somewhere and you aim for it, buddy. Don't point that at people, son. Oh, well, that don't really help. Well, I don't know how to get it on there. I tried. It wouldn't work. Sorry. Oh, no.
And for the rock. No, that was...
Oh, that's weird looking. That thing's just steady standing there.
Yeah, that would be...
The fuck is that? That's weird. Huh. You see that line cloud and then the circles right there? Look at it right there. It looks like a snake in the sky.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this big old cloud. Well, it's like a whole backdrop of painting right there. It's crazy looking. Some evilness.
It looks like a Van Gogh. Land? Yeah.
That's some pure evil right there, though.
It's a Van Gogh.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. What?